Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the seat belt fuse and relay on that generation Jeep Cherokee that we're talking about, guys, from year 2014 to year 2023. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video because seat belts are part of the airbag system, so you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, guys, otherwise seat belts as well. Otherwise you can cause injury and death even by checking or replacing a fuse that you shouldn't, guys. So this is not a how-to video. Now guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the seatbelt fuses and relays, let's demonstrate on that Jeep Cherokee where you can find it, on that generation Jeep Cherokee. But quick advice, guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. Open, guys, the hood. Now once you do that, facing the engine, by the way, if you have that 2.4 engine, we have probably over 200 videos taking it apart and fixing almost anything on it. On the right side of the engine, that's your main engine fuse box. That's on the driver's side of the vehicle. You see these tabs, press them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the seat belt, guys, which fuse we need to check? Relay now. This, by the way, is the front of your Jeep Cherokee. This is the driver's side, passenger side, windshield side. Towards the windshield side here on the driver's side, that row of fuses, you will need to check fuse number 88. You see that fuse right here? That's the one that we are going to check for the seat belt, guys. That fuse right here. You don't have any relays. You may need to, if you have a problem and you're qualified and certified to do so, check airbag module fuses and relays as well, because they control the seat belts too. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that, guys. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.